napaka worth it kasi ang training is sobrang dami kong natutunan, and not just about the professional image but pati sa self-awareness and confidence building. Ang ganda po ng flow ng session, very clear, engaging and relatable. Thank you po Ms. Tony Miranda for the inspiring transformational session.
It's really engaging and very informative. It highlighted the importance of personal branding and professional image that surely will contribute in my career here in sales. Thank you, Ms. Tony, and God bless you.
It was a very nice experience, full of learnings and wisdom. I am more confident now. I'm excited and even more than ready to close a sale. Thank you, Ms. Tony Miranda.
It's truly a transformative journey. It's actually very holistic training. I learned about how to get a growth and right mindset. This training actually improved and I've learned my worth, my purpose, and I really love the message that the training gave to me to hold on to your dreams and always put God first in everything that you do. Thank you so much, Ms. Tony, for inspiring us.
So thank you, Coach Tony, for a very knowledgeable topics and inspiring words. Surely it will make us be a better person and as real estate agents as well. Continue to be the light that shines through God's face. More power. Thank you.
The training was very knowledgeable, informative, and it was very helpful to improve my physical appearance and how I handle my client. So overall, the training was good, and kudos to Miss Tony. She did a very good job. Thank you.
She's very informative, knowledgeable, and it's very applicable as a real estate professional. Kudos to her. She did a great job, and I'm so excited to apply it on my daily professional life. Thank you, Miss Tony.